Welcome friends, welcome to Goenkarpur with me Suraj Nandrekar. Today we are in the village of Kurchore and we are at Shelvana Satiri temple. We have with us the power minister of Goa, who is the local MLA here. आज आमच्यामध्ये निलेश बाबाक आमी विचारतले की ताची इलेक्शनाची तयारी कशी चल्ल्या. गेल्या फावटी ते ऑलमोस्ट 9,000 वोटांनी इलेक्ट जावन आयिल्ले. आम्ही आता तांकां विचारूया की फुडली तांची तयारी कशी चल्ल्या. निलेश बाब, यू वन with a margin of more than 9,000, which was highest in Goa, I guess. How is your preparation for this election and what do you think would be your margin?
I don't know. Margin आम्ही जे आसा माझे कार्य हांव करीत आसा. I am working for the people. Everybody today we have been working, all the panchayats, sarpanchas, councillors are with me. We are working together. I am blessed to have a very nice team of panchayats and councillors who work for the people. आणि who because कितें जाता सगळे कडेन हांव पावूंक शकना, सो दे हेल्प मी. आणि म्हाका दिसता विथ दीस माय कार्यकर्ते जे आमचे बीजेपीचे कार्यकर्ते आसा, बाकीचे जे आमचे बरे मक्ती आहा, ते सगळे खूब फुडें तेणी हें केल्लें आसा. पूण एक लक्षात हाडपाचें मार्जीन आय पर्सनली फील दॅट विथ द एफर्ट्स एंड आतां एक 2-3 दीस जाले हांव भोंवता, तितून भितर मार्जीन वील बी मोर दॅन द लास्ट टायम. दिस इज वॉट आय एम एक्सपेक्टिंग and I know that the people will give their love and affection to me.
Being a power minister, I think it is definitely you would have got an advantage of doing more development in your constituency. Can you just bring out certain things what our viewers would like to know, what you have taken up in works you have taken up in Kurchare?
See, as a power minister, first of all, not only in Kurchare, हांवें सगळ्या गोंयभर खुबशे गोश्टीन आमी इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेव्हलपमेंट करपाक घेतले. आणि इन Kurchare especially, being my home constituency, I have taken the 11 kV LT line underground cabling हांगा मतदारसंघात. नॉर्मली म्हजे पयलीं कोण पावर मिनिस्टर जाता दे विल ओनली फोकसिंग इन देअर कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीज आणि नॉट ऑल ओवर गोवा. बट हांवें ऑल ओवर गोवा आय हॅव फोकस्ड एंड विदीन ऑल ओवर गोवा हांवें खुबशीं कामां चालू केल्या. आणि आतां म्हाज्या मतदारसंघात म्हाका दिसता अंडरग्राउंड केबलिंगाचें काम बाजारार एरिया जाली, थोडे पंचमल एरियान ते चालू आसा. अशें आख्खे आमचे शेलवणा धरून शेल्डे धरून आख्खे कुट्रेर अंडरग्राउंड केबलिंगाचे जे 11 kV आसा हे ऑलमोस्ट कंप्लीट जावपाक येयला आनी LT लायन आतां चालू जातली.
Your area, actually Kurchare constituency, is mainly dependent on mining. Mining बंद आसा. हाज्या फाटल्यान जेन्ना मायनींग बंद आसा म्हणटा आमी, लोकांक खूब प्रॉब्लम जाल्ले आसा लास्ट ऑलमोस्ट सिन्स 2018 नाव. आनी what steps have you taken to see that the youth are not left unemployed?
वॉट हॅपन, आमचे भुरगे जे आसा हे मतदारसंघात कुट्रे मतदारसंघात तूं पळयता जाल्यार स्विगीत कितलींच वर्सां हांव आसचे पयलीं आतां हांव आसतना वी हॅव टॉपर्स, म्हणजे हांगा भुरगे शिकता आनी दे हॅव वेरियस पोजिशन. आतां म्हाका खबर आसा की आमच्या मतदारसंघात म्हणजे विदीन दीस लास्ट फ्यू इयर्स खुबशे जाण आर एम्प्लॉयड इन गव्हर्मेंट सर्विसीस बिकॉज ऑफ देअर ओन कॅलिबर. जशे आमचे GPSC एक्झाम पास करून म्हाका दिसता देर आर ऑलमोस्ट 25 people working in various posts in GPSC, Goa Public Service Commission, in last 10 years have been selected, whether it is Mamdar, BDO, Deputy Collector, gazetted other officers. So म्हाका दिसता this constituency we have youngsters who are working. Unfortunately तूं कितें म्हणटा पळय मायनींग जे आशिल्ले ह्या वाठारांत बंद जाल्या कारणान जे एम्प्लॉयमेंट हू नेवर वॉन्टेड अ जॉब, म्हणजे खंयचो जॉब नाका, दे वर हॅपी टू बी एन एंटरप्रेनर, हें बंद पडून आमकां त्रास जाल्ले आसा, म्हाका त्रास जाल्ले आसा, लोकांकूय त्रास जाल्ले आसा. हांवें खूब प्रयत्न केलो टू रिस्टार्ट मायनींग. अनफॉर्च्युनेटली थिंग्स हॅव नॉट गॉन वॉट द वे वी वॉन्टेड इट टू हॅपन. I hope that maybe in the next thing we will find a solution to this problem. कित्याक आतां ऑलरेडी तुवें पळयलां की we were trying to कितें जाता पळय मायनींग चालू करपाक पयलीं सुवातेर जे एक्झिस्टींग लीज होल्डर आसा पळय दे हॅव टेकन द एंटायर लँड इन पोजेशन आनी नाव वी वॉन्टेड टू सी दॅट दे ओनली स्टार्ट मायनींग अगेन. पूण खंय तरी सरकाराच्या मार्फत सुप्रीम कोर्टाची ऑर्डरान म्हाका ते करूंक शकना. पूण दॅट इज वाय नाव वी हॅव अपॉयंटेड फॉर डुईंग द लिजीस, म्हणजे खंय तरी आनी ऑप्शनाचे प्रोसेस चालू केल्लो आसा. सो ओवर अ पिरियड ऑफ नेक्स्ट 2 years आय थिंक वी विल बी एबल टू रिस्टार्ट मायनींग बाय डुईंग द ऑप्शन प्रोसेस अनलेस somebody else objects to it. But we will go ahead with the auctioning process of these leases which are now being derived by doing the prospecting.
Naresh Babu, don't you think there will be a backlash because you were not able to start mining? लोकांचो असो राग असो दिसना तुमकां?
ना, आसा न्ही, राग आसा न्ही. थोडे कडेन जेन्ना आमकां उलयलें जाता, सी म्हाजे पर्सनल कोणाचे प्रॉब्लम कांय ना. हांवें आय हॅव नेवर ट्रबल. आताच आम्ही भोंवता तेन्ना ज्यो मायनिंगाचे ट्रकाचे विशय नाशिल्लो, जे वेर इज अ सिस्टम. इतली वर्सां मायनिंग चालू आसतना कोणाचे ट्रक खंय चलताले. आतां खंय तरी रूट करून, बिकॉज लेस वर्क, रूट करून तेणे आपणाचे रुटार जे वाटेर येता तांकां चालू करपाक दिता. भायले जे इतले वर्सां चालू आशिल्ले तांकां ते दिना. सो आय ट्राय टू सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम. ई ऑक्शनाचो आनी बाकीचे जे कार्गोचो 2007 पयलीं एक्सिबिशन केल्ले ते कार्गो चालू आशिल्ले. सो एटलीस्ट ते ट्रक एम्प्लॉयमेंट जावपाक. पूण समाव आय कुड नॉट सक्सीड इन अलाउविंग देम टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम आउटसायड द रूट. खूब वर्सां जाली लोक चलयता. एनी हांव आतां रिझेंटमेंट आसाच न्ही, रिझेंटमेंट ना म्हणून हांव कशें फूट मारूं. बट I have told people, see, and people know that I tried to do my best. I was very vocal. I was very vocal in restarting mining, and I am also from a mining background. And I think that I am the only person who sarke maka. I know the entire episode. I know how to do it. Unfortunately, things have not gone. I will request people to trust us and trust me. And I have decided. I have already told CM that in the next government, when we form with a majority which is 100% sure, we will strive and we will see that mining restarts in Goa in a proper way, in a legal fashion, so that the employment of the people and the entrepreneurs they become their livelihoods.
Yeah, Neshbab, coming back to the party politics, it was being said that you don't enjoy a good relationship with the party president in Goa. And it was being said that there were rumors going on, and you clarified saying that you were not going anywhere with Michael, and Michael Lobo left the party. Can you just tell me how did these rumors start actually?
The rumors have started by Michael Oliver. See, I had seen social media posts where my name and his face was shown, and another three were showing blank. I don't know who started the rumors. And in my constituency, people were always with me. They know how I am a Bharjapa, so I am like a BJP stump in this constituency along with my Karyakartas. The question of me going was never there only. It was a rumor, as you said it is a rumor. Rumors can be created by anybody and anybody. And somebody was trying to create a rumor because he was trying to get a ticket, one of them. And they were trying to create a rumor in such a way that I am going for BJP. But it was never there. I never brought that thought to my mind also. I never approached anybody. And the question of me being denied a BJP ticket never came across, because in both my elections I have won by 9,000, almost 9,000 votes, 9,000 plus votes. So that much support is there. Why will they give? I was never like Michael, anti-party, working against the section. If I had my difficulties in my constituency, I used to ask our chief minister, I would ask the party president, and I should tell them that these are the problems we are having, and to find solution. Going out and talking to people who are not connected is not a solution. And I feel Michael, as you know, he has walked out. He also, even 2 days before, we had a talk with him. I had a talk with him. He said, I am not going. So what was there in his back of his mind, I am not aware. But somehow I feel bad, because he was a colleague for a long time. And we have pampered him the most as chairman of GTDC, as electricity minister. I think in his constituency we have done a lot of work, not only we, including Manoj Bhai Parikar when he was there, including Dr. Pramod Sawant Pasekar. A lot of work has been done in his constituency. I can list out a big work.
No, but why are the Catholic MLAs leaving the BJP?
Nobody is right.
So there are, you see Alena, you see Michael, you see Carlos. These are the people who being Catholic, they had been with the party. So is there any different attitude towards the Catholic MLA?
Absolutely not. There is no party. See, today party does not see whether I'm Hindu, Catholic, Muslim, what. Party sees who work with the grassroots worker and who gel with everybody. I think that is very important. What people who have gone, I don't want to comment at this stage, because it's not right on my part. But everybody knows what are the reasons of their going, and I should not comment on my colleagues. But there was never. I think we are the most cohesive party, looking in the interest of the state and the country to see that our young generation goes to a different level. And the question of religion, caste, creed does not come. And I am not only in the party, I am in the core committee. I have access to all the top party leaders also in various meetings. And never it has happened that I felt out of place. I never placed, because see, when we discuss, there is nothing, no situation. We are only bothered as a party to work for the state and the country, to see that our country and state go ahead.
So as a whole, you feel that the opposition is trying to create this BJP's communal tag?
Always, they have been always have been creating, not only now, all these years they have been creating. See, any party, see, I always tell that in the constituency what I am representing now, in 2005, there were the only riots in the entire state in my constituency. That time there was no BJP, there was the Congress ruled state that time in 2005. how it happened then. So issues are different. See, it is the section of of the society. Sometimes they became a little fringe and they become a little violent, and then the blame comes on the BJP. I don't think I have ever felt discomfort. I have never felt, neither have my constituency felt discomfort about me. We all work together in the interest of the constituency and interest of the state and interest of the country. This is what message is very clear in my mind and everybody's mind.
Nilesh Baba, what do you have to say about this dynastic politics? See, slowly that thing is creeping up in BJP right now because there are many people. Michael Lobo left because his wife has not been given ticket. There is Vishwajit who is asking ticket for his wife. Babu Kaudekar asking ticket for his wife Savitri. So there are Babush Monserrat is asking for his wife Jennifer. Actually, that is you can't talk about it because Jennifer was already a MLA. So that is what the state president has said. So, तुमका किती दिसता की this thing should continue in BJP or should BJP give one ticket per family?
No, see, they are already existing MLA. Who you talked about? They are already existing MLA is already with the party.
It's just
And
one.
No, even see, even in Vishwajit Rane's constituency, because of his father has been elected 50 times.
Yeah.
Now I feel that he doesn't want to contest. He wants his person of the family to contest. So what is wrong in that? I don't feel that. But dynastic policy, dynastic rule or whatever you say, it is that somebody out who is going to be given a ticket which BJP will not give. But who is already existing, of course they will give. And that is why you only made a statement that Michael has left because he was getting denied. So it is very clear. There is no dynastic policy in BJP. Karyakartas and people who are at the grassroots level are being welcomed and they work in getting the directions right. So I think we are a firm party. There will be no dynastic policy in BJP.
No, but
We have
this
seen
kind
even
of things are affecting the core Karyakartas of BJP. You think people like Utpal, I'm not saying if he is denied ticket, why should Joshua get it?
No, Joshua, see, I am telling you, see, you are comparing with two different entities. See, I am not saying Utpal is not good or Joshua is good or Joshua is not good, Utpal is good. See, what my thing is saying is, see, it is dynamism in politics. Joshua was given a ticket, you remember, see, they have a different system of working. Joshua was told that the last time also ticket was not being given to him. He was told, even the party never sent his name. But party in the center does their own work, field work, they do their own surveys, and they found that Joshua should be given a ticket. And that is why Joshua was given a ticket. Last time also Joshua was denied the ticket by the local committee of Goa, which they are on record. I am not saying it is on record that they have denied the ticket. He was given by the central leadership because they found the parameters favorable to Joshua, and that is why it was given. So they also must have found in Utpal Bab that those parameters are there in a different direction. So they have decided it is not dynastic policy. When you are saying dynastic policy, it is the same way. Father, son, father, daughter is not there in BJP. They see who is the grassroots worker. I am not saying Utpal is bad or Utpal is not good. But I think we have to work together. Utpal can still work. He is young. He can mature himself. His father also, I adore him as my leader, Manur Bhai Parikar, as a very good leader. And Utpal is also a good person. To become a leader, he has to get propelled, not by his father's image, by his own image. And I think every image is to be created by one's aura. And I'm not saying that he is not created an image, but I think he requires more time to become, and he's young. It is not that he has become old. And he can always work with the party. Now he's working, he has to be outspoken, he has to go get works done, and automatically the party will recognize his efforts and things will happen in the right direction.
Okay. Realistically, how many seats do you think BJP will win this time?
We will form the government, that is very important. Seats, to form the government, we have to have a majority. I don't want to comment on how many seats are going to come. But म्हाका खात्री आसा, भारतीय जनता पार्टीचं सरकार गोंयांत आमी परतून करतले. भारतीय जनता पार्टीचे आमदार लोक खुबशे निवडून दितले आनी आमी सरकार करून फुडें आमी भारतीय जनता पार्टीचं सरकार करतले. हेजेर म्हाका डावटूच ना. कितले आमदार येतले तेजेर हांव भविष्यवाणी करूं शकना. कित्याक हांवें भविष्यवाणी करप ही म्हजी चुकीचें. पण हांव जाणा की भविष्यवाणी एकूच करता की भारतीय जनता पार्टीचो सरकार जातलो. कित्याक लोकांक जे गोश्टी पयल्ल्यो आसा गोंयांत डेव्हलपमेंट बाकीचे खुबश्यो गोश्टी भारतीय जनता पार्टीचे 10 वर्सां कार्यकर्त्यान पयलो मनोहर भाई पर्रीकर मागीर पार्सेकर सर मागीर प्रमोद बाब तिनूय चीफ मिनिस्टर अंडर खुबशीं कामां जाल्लीं आसा. हांव म्हणना की 100% जाल्या अशी. म्हाज्या मतदारसंघात हांवें खुबशीं कामां चालू केल्लीं आसा. आमचे प्रोजेक्ट तसे कंप्लीट जावना म्हजेर टिका जाता पूण अल्टिमेटली कोवीड पॅन्डेमिका खातीर खुबश्यो गोश्टी जाल्यो ते प्रोजेक्ट उरल्या बट ओवरऑल इफ यू गो टू सी डेव्हलपमेंट जे आसा हे आमचेच न्ही गोंयभर खुबश्यो गोश्टी फुडें चालू आसा आनी म्हाका खात्री आसा की लोकांक कितें जाय अल्टिमेटली लोकांक एक सॅटिस्फॅक्शन जाय लोकांक जाय की आमचे रस्ते उदक लायट ह्यो गोश्टी सारक्यो आसच्यो आनी ह्यो इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर जे आमचे आज तुमी पळयता पयलीं काणकोणच्यान कारवार वचपाक ते रुटाक कितलो टायम लागतालो नाव तोच रूट 4 मिनटांनी पावता तोच रूट 45 मिनिट शॉर्ट जावन 4 मिनटां आतां बांबोलीच्यान तुमी देंवता तो पयलीं इतलो टायम लागता बांबोलीच्यान आतां हांगासर पावपाक म्हाका दिसता नॉट इवन लेस दॅन 70% ऑफ द टायम नॉर्मली तांकां 20 मिनटां 20 मिनटां लागताली ती आतां 5 मिनटांनी पावता सो इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर भारतीय जनता पार्टी हांगाच न्ही गोंयांत न्ही आख्ख्या देशभर करता आनी इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर वाडलो कॉरिडॉर वाडले सो डेव्हलपमेंट एक्टिविटीज वाडल्यो जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता इकॉनॉमीक एक्टिविटीज ऑल्सो रिलेटेड टू देम सो लोक हे पाटी कोल भारतीय जनता पार्टी दे विल ब्लेस भारतीय जनता पार्टी कैंडिडेट्स एंड वी विल फॉर्म द गवर्नमेंट.
Since you were also the environment minister in Dr. Pramod Sawant government, my pointed question to you is, there have been a lot of agitations considering the environmental damage in Goa, and that what you said now about all the development works, people have been up in the arms opposing most of the projects. Don't you think there will be an anti-incumbency and all these agitations will play a major role in the coming election?
I remember agitations had happened, are happening. Agitations are done by people from where, what you know better than me. They are political agitations. See, ultimately, our state and country has to progress. We have to have good infrastructure of roads, good rail network, good power supply. These are infrastructure developments. If there was a plant coming somewhere and it was creating a pollution and local class, it is different. Now, infrastructure, if these infrastructure developments don't take place in the state, then how are we accountable? You mean to say power we have to do? We don't produce power. Hanga thermal power plant आम्ही घालू ना. We are buying power from other states. We are now, those people are sacrificing other states, their land to give power to us, and we are depriving ourselves. There is no other. See, we are coming from a Deccan plateau. All the power infrastructure म्हणजे काहीतरी power करता ते वयले प्लॅटोचे आसा. आम्ही सकल आसा. So automatically सकल ते वयल्यान येतलेच. सो लोकांक जे विशय आसा पळय दिशाभूल करपाचो प्रयत्न लोक करता की थंय 2 लायनी ऑलरेडी 110 kV आणि 220 kV लायन इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पयलींच्यान येताल्यो वी टोल्ड एज अ गव्हर्नमेंट दॅट वी विल डिसमेंटल द 110 kV लायन अँड वील पुट द 400 kV लायन इन एक्झिस्टिंग ताकाय लोकांक त्रास जाता आतां घाटा वयल्यान जे तो 2 लेन रस्तो आसा तो 4 लेन करपाक हातीन घेतलो ते घाटार इतलो टर्न जाता इतले ट्विस्ट जाता कितले एक्सिडेंट जाता सो इट इज फॉर द पीपल सेफ्टी वीच वॉज बीइंग डन तिसरी गोष्टी रेल्वे तुमी पळयता आज आमकां वी आर स्टील बीइंग कॉल्ड अ डेव्हलप्ड नेशन हाऊ लॉंग कॅन वी कॉल अ डेव्हलप्ड नेशन somewhere we have to feel I am strong on these 3 objectives. I am not saying environment degradation as an environment minister. I understand environment degradation is happening. Environment degradation is by doing these projects will happen. You mean to say whichever roads we are traveling, काही धांवार घातला थिंगा एनवायरमेंट जावन आसले जे बिल्डिंगा आतां उबी जाल्या कोणाचें घर जालां उबें तितून एनवायरमेंट डिस्ट्रॉय जावन आशिल्लें सो म्हाका दिसता शी आय नो पूण लास्टाक आमी मनीस आमकां ह्यो गोश्टी सगळ्यो गोश्टी बऱ्यो जावपाक जाय वी रिक्वायर सेल्फ सफिशियंट वी हॅव टू बी हॅप्पी विथ द सिस्टम्स एक तुजे 3 प्रोजेक्ट जे आमी इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेव्हलपमेंट एक रेल्वे डबल लायनींग एक जो इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी येतालो आनी तिसरो रोड ह्यो गोश्टी तुम्ही पळोवपाक गेल्यार इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेव्हलपमेंट इज नॉट सम इंडिव्हिज्युअल somebody is here.
It is correct that development has given Goa a new look. But then, Nilesh Babu, as an environment minister, it is your responsibility to protect the environment of Goa.
Of course, we are protecting. See, CRZ plan, I started, it was not 2011 and जावपाक जो आशिल्लो तो करूंकूच ना तेणी सरकारान. I had numerous meetings, we had numerous inspections, we have finalized the CRZ plan. So that is protection in environment. If you go to see our ESAs in the Western Ghats, we have made an entire ESA report and submitted to Center for Notification. So all these things we have to submit. Where we have to do, we are doing. But for infrastructure, जर खंय जाता हांव ना म्हणना infrastructure destruction we can see. But म्हाका सांग फाल्यां जर पावर ना कोणाक ब्लेम करतले गव्हर्मेंटाक ब्लेम करतले सो गव्हर्मेंट हॅज टू बॅलन्स and we will balance. See, after existing line which is there, रेल्वे लाईन इज नॉट अ न्यू लाईन, इवन न्यू लाईन इज डिफरंट. एक्झिस्टिंग लाईनी कडल्यान 5.5 मिटराचेर दुसरो ट्रॅक येता फ्रॉम द सेंटर ऑफ द अदर ट्रॅक. सम प्लेसीस इज 7 meters. सो इट इज ऑलरेडी देअर. आनी हितू भितर जशें हांवें सांगलें घाटार भाटार एक गोश्टी जाता, एनिमल थिंगा अंडरपासीस नाशिल्ले, एनिमल्स वेर गेटिंग क्रश. पळय तूं एक्सिडंट पळयला हांगा 52 goats have died. Kankon. So this infrastructure, if you don't do, see, with the planned infrastructure, you can take care of all the systems. This was the idea. And South Western Railway भितर accident खूप झाले, खूप wildlife animal पयली मेल्ले आसा because of train accident. So we had derived an entire system, ecological sensitive system, where we were given underpasses and overbridges for animals in the section. So if there was no line there, it was different. Single line already is passing. So I think, see, we have to take a stand, we have to take a call, and I am very sure. I am not saying that we should do or not do, but see, ultimately, if electricity म्हज्या घरान पावपाक जाय 24 वरां, आमी गोंयांत जेन्ना इलेक्ट्रिसिटी तयार करना, जाल्यार आमी खंयच्यान ती इलेक्ट्रिसिटी हाडपाची? गोंयची बायलां हाडूंक पडली. सो ताका लागून लायनी घालूंक पडटा, आनी ताका उपाय ना सिस्टम. आमी आतां पळय सरकार, गोंयांचो सरकार एकूच सरकार की 50% सबसिडी दिल्ली फॉर सोलर. लोकांनी फुडें वचून घालूंक ना ती. कित्याक वी आर गेटिंग चीप पावर. तांकां जर तो 12 रुपयाचे दुसऱ्या राज्यांनी 11 रुपया 9 रुपया 10 रुपया पावर जर ते घेताले जाल्यार हांगा 2 रुपया 1 रुपया 40 पैशांनी चालू जाता. सो 1 रुपया 40 पैशांनी चालू जाता पूण लोक सोलर घालना. सो आय कॅन ब्लेम देम. सो दीस चीप पावर वी कॅन गिव देम ऑफ थर्मल पावर एंड वी आर ऑल्सो गिविंग 50% सबसिडी. सो म्हाका दिसता वी हॅव टू टेक अ कॉल वॉट वी रिक्वायर एंड वॉट यू से. आय एग्री विथ यू. देर इज एनवायरमेंट डिस्ट्रक्शन, बट वी हैव टू balance both this and find a practical solution which we always will want to do and which we always want it to happen in a practical way, that environment is also protected and we give them benefits to the locals in way of infrastructure development.
एक क्वेश्चन तुम्ही जेन्ना विजाचेर विचारले निलेश बाब, आय वूड लायक टू आस्क यू, केजरीवाल जे म्हणटा फ्री बिजली, डू यू थिंक तुमकां दिसता की दॅट स्कीम इज इम्प्लिमेंटेबल?
शी एक गोष्ट जी आसा, हांव कोण केजरीवालाचेर आनी कोणाचेर उलयता, आय विल जस्ट टेल यू, आतां 2-3 हिंगा पार्टी आसा गोंयांत जे बाकीचे स्टेटीचे तेजे गव्हर्मेंट आसा आनी तो पळय हांगा इम्प्लिमेंट करूंक शकता. जर तेजे स्टेटींनी हो तेजी ती आमची दुसरी एक बायल आसा ती कित्याक आपणाच्या स्टेटींनी पयलीं इम्प्लिमेंट करूं ना? ही सगळी अरे पूण कशें दिता बॉ? सी, देर आर 2 parts ऑफ इट. सी, दिल्ली गव्हर्मेंट इज अ युनियन टेरिटरी. तांकां वर्साक 20,000 कोटी दे आर गेटिंग सपोर्ट ऑफ फायनान्शियल सपोर्ट डायरेक्टली एज फॉर द गव्हर्मेंट. दे कॅन अफोर्ड टू गिव इट. सी, स्टेट गव्हर्मेंट, दिस इज अ स्टेट. वी हॅव टू मेक आवर ओन इनकम and our own income has to sustain. In Delhi it is different. They get a subsidy because it's a union territory. They get so much money from the center where they can put it into different forms of utilities. आता what is that? तो फुकट दिता म्हणजे तो आपणाच्या बोर्सांत दिता ना, तो गव्हर्मेंटाच्या तिजोरीन दिता न्ही ते. सो तिजोरीन दिता तेन्ना जशें सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंट ताका सपोर्ट करता. आनी दिल्ली इज अ कॉस्मोपॉलिटन टावन. खुबशे गोश्टी ते भितर इनकम येवपा सारके थंय आसा. गोंयांत तशें ना. गोंयांत एवरी गव्हर्मेंट has taken the Goa government, which is Goyan, has been taking loans continuously. It is not only this government, has been also taking. फाटले गव्हर्मेंट कितलेशे लोन घेत आसा, फाटल्या गव्हर्मेंटाचे लोन काडलेले हे गव्हर्मेंट भरता. सो ह्यो गोश्टी जेन्ना हांव सांगता, 2 गोश्टी हे काडपाक जाय. फ्री म्हणटा संस्था आसना. गोंयांत आमी सबसिडायज दिता. डिरायव जे गोश्टी म्हणजे 1 रुपया 40 पैसे आज तो पयली टॅरिफ आसा, विच हॅज बीन फॉर लास्ट so many years. It is being subsidized by the state government. Free म्हणल्यार, see, if somebody is getting free, there are chances of finding. See, it is also free is not total power. 1 rupee 40 paisa is not. Delhi जे आसा that tariff starts at 4 rupees. So म्हाका दिसता फ्री म्हणटा ते they will take from somewhere else and give it to them. And Delhi दिवपाक शकता because they are getting support from the central government. That's all I want to say. It is not possible for them to give like this. But other states 5,000 रुपया आनी कितें दिता, तेचे सिटी कित्याक चालू करूं ना ते पयलीं? हांगा कित्याक चालू करपाक येता ते? गोंयच्या गव्हर्मेंटाच्यो स्किमी ताका लोकांक डिजर्विंग लोकांक आतां दीत आसा. आय डोंट थिंक सो दे कॅन गिव इट ऑन दोज लायन्स.
Thank you, Nilesh Bab. Thanks for coming, giving us your precious time during the door-to-door campaign when the campaigning is at very high voltage and clearing all the doubts of Goans, be it environment destruction, power, development, and various political issues. Thanks for.
Thank you.